Greetings! Welcome to Bruce's A World of Stuff. And today is Tuesday Pizza Box Day. Actually, I got it yesterday, but today is Tuesday, 6/24/25. And the reason why that date is significant is because this coming weekend, which today's Tuesday, I'm going to go on a limb and say starting Saturday, there will be a new addition to the VGC Resin website. And you're asking, what would that be? Well, we'll show you that in this exclusive first look after these messages from our awesome sponsors. So if you want to know more, stay tuned, sit right there, get your beverage, and we'll be right back with that awesome information. Welcome back, and thanks for sticking around to find out what this awesome information is going to be. We want to thank our super awesome, I know I say a lot, don't I? Sponsors, scalefinishes.com, that awesome eclectic 10 code, Gaahleri.com, BEW capital letters, and the sponsor of the hour, VGC Resin By Reese. And that is AMC Live 10. And those discount codes will get you 10% discount on your total checkout purchases. VGC Resin is also the sponsor for the AMC Livecast show in conjunction with Scale Speed Garage, and that show is every Thursday night at 8 p.m. 7 Central, but during the summer hours it's every other Thursday at 8 p.m. 7 Central until August. Then we'll be back to our normal winter schedule. So there will be a video this Thursday, the 26th of June. So be there or be square, as they always used to say. So what is the awesome news? Well, what I'm about to show you will be available on the VGC Resin website this weekend. And you keep asking, what is it, Bruce? Well, here, let me change the screen here, and there's the pizza box. This is not part of the pizza box. This is a Christmas medallion I ordered. It's $5 on the website, and I painted, and I've decided to use it as a prop. So I want to thank Josh for making those. Those are cool. We'll put that right there. Now, what did we get? Well, let me open the box. And we got, first ever seen, get rid of the box over here. We'll get the paper out of the bag so you can see the paper. This is a Ford 427 SOHC engine kit. You can see the price. Like I said, this will be available this weekend, and it's another one of Scale Auto Model Works awesome designs. That guy does such great work. Let me get this all laid out, and we'll be right back.
I want to remind everybody that we are doing our first annual Breast Cancer Awareness 24-hour group build, October 11th, 2025, starting at 8 o'clock in the morning Eastern Time. That'll run in conjunction with Bob's Model Works Chris Cortell Annual Cancer Awareness Group Build, which runs from October 1st to October 31st. A link is in the description for that one, so check that out too and sign up for his. Also in the description is a link to the GoFundMe page I set up for the American Cancer Society. We're going to take donations the whole time we're building, and you can start now if you want. But all the proceeds are going to the American Cancer Society, so any help you can give would be greatly appreciated.
Okay, so we got everything out of the package, and we got them on the black mat, so hopefully you can see them okay. I got the camera zoomed down as much as I can, and we'll show you what you're getting. Yeah, so show you what you're getting, and this awesome release from VGC Resin and Scale Model Works. So, without any further ado, it's such an honor, by the way, Josh, for being able to do this for everybody. I appreciate you, buddy. Thank you for everything you do in the community. So, let's get down to it, right? And here we have all of our engine components. Don't worry about that. Blood work done today. Nothing serious, just normal every 90-day blood work. When you get 71 years old, you'll know what that means. We'll start with this little package here. This has all of our breather caps and alternator bracket in there. I just didn't want it to get lost. Then we have two style of valve covers, and let me see if I can get a hold of these before I don't drop them everywhere. This one here says Ford on it, and those holes right there in the side is where the spark plug wires go. That I was schooled in that information last night. Then this one has some other writing on it. I can make it out, but there again, there's the hose for the spark plugs. Of course, in there's the oil pan. Everybody's saying oil pan, and there's the dual carb intake. Nice intake. And then we have the block. And if you notice, the front end is positive pinned. If he would start doing the heads like that, that would be awesome. Speaking of heads, here's the heads. You can see the hose for the valve for the exhaust, and that's pretty much it. Then we got the headers. Nice looking headers. We'll see if they fit in the car. And this here is the front assembly, and like I said, front cover, timing cover, whatnot. It is positive pinned. Then we have two awesome Holley carburetors. Very, very nice. So there's two of those. And yeah, I know everybody keeps staring at this, right? What is that? Well, I'm going to tell you. If you look really, really close, those are hose. And them's the boots for the spark plugs. And I'm not sure. I'm even going to try to put those in there. So if you're a brave soul, go right ahead. Of course, we got the standard starter. I mean, everybody's seen starter. Looks nice as always. We got a vibration dampener. Cool alternator. It's hard to turn my hands backwards like that, folks. I don't know what that part was. I just found it a while ago. It's a cap of something, some kind. Then we got oil filter, and then this is the oil filter bracket, separate. Let me get this picked up to where you can at least see some of the detail in it. And this is the water pump. Then we got two coils. We got two distributors. One has a hole in it. One does not. Well, if I can pick it up. Then we have Mr. Coil. And just so people know, you can wire those. Matter of fact, I'll show you. See? You can wire them. That's for my 71 Demon Buddy build with Joe over Big Skies and Jason over Gaahleri Klein Racing Design. So you can wire the coils. Of course, then you got the pulley. Then you got this custom breather. And this one's just a stock breather. I'm just going to call it a Holly breather. So there's that stuff. We'll be right back in just a second. Okay, well there is the first look at a new item on VGC Resin's website. Sorry, Raggy. And we want to thank Josh for giving us the opportunity to be the first one to see it. Well, he did say possibly, so I'm not sure what that means, but we want to thank him anyway because it's an honor to be able to show everyone this stuff and give everybody a first look, because it's absolutely cool. Turn that light away. And we're proud to do that because everybody likes new stuff. What are we going to do with it? Well, I'm going to tell you here in a minute, but just want to let you know that this is an awesome buy. So be ready to jump on the website this weekend and grab this awesome bag of stuff, because the print quality is outstanding, the service is outstanding. If you email him, he does answer back, and those are outstanding as well. his customer service is top notch, and whether you or see one of my videos or Real Cinderellas or Big Skies or KRD Klein Racing Designs videos, anybody videos that's part of the VGC Resin By Reese family that has codes. If you have a question and you can't get a hold of him, get a hold of one of us. We'll relay that question and we'll get you an answer. And with that being said, the big question is, Bruce, what are you going to do with that, Bruce? Well, I'll tell you. This is what we're going to do with it. Let's move that over there. We're going to put it in this. Uh-oh, lunchtime. This is my, how's that go? PS effing, Pro Street effing everything group build, sponsored by none other than VGC Resin and Scale Speed Garage. So, I was teasing Josh. I said, thank you for sponsoring your own group build. I mean, literally. That is where it's going. Because when I was going through this kit and getting it ready, I have the rest of the parts here for the Scale Speed Garage tub, and then I have a set of their seats and stuff, and that's all going to go in Mr. Blue Ford. You think I came on and said blue? Yeah, it's blue. Actually, it's a pretty sky blue. So that's all we have for this video. I mean, different stuff. So this package is going in that box. You just seen it go in there. So that's where it's going to stay. I do have one thing I want to show. It has nothing to do with VGC Resin, but I did get an awesome gift yesterday, and I got to share it. I got this awesome kit, a build from my good friend Dart. And it's called the Okie Doker 2. He did an awesome job of building this. He actually put a drive shaft in it, but I'm flabbergasted with the detail he put in this. Thank you, Dart. Appreciate you, buddy. So I just want to get it out there that I really enjoy this car. It's going on my bookshelf with the rest of them. By the way, those wheels, I sent him as a gift, and he sent them back. So those wheels hold a special meaning twice. But thank you, Dart. Appreciate it, buddy. I am so proud to have one of your works of art, and you are an awesome builder, no matter what you say. Anyhow, that's all I got. I gotta get this thing edited so I can get it uploaded tonight. So y'all be kind to your neighbors. You don't know when you're gonna see them again. Save the fingers. Thank you once again to all of our sponsors. And we want to thank all of our first responders because they keep us safe, allowing us to make these cool videos, build models, and let our creative juices flow. So, take care, my friends. Have a great week. Remember, run over to VGC Resin By Reese, grab those 427s, fill your card up, use those discount codes. Same thing with Gaahleri and ScaleFinishes.com. You will not be disappointed in any of those products. Trust me. I don't sling stuff I don't like, or it's not worth it. So take care, my friends. Let's catch you in the next video. God bless. Where's the button? There it is.